Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let's discuss about the human resource management in Odoo 15. So we can go to the recruitment module. When we enters into the home dashboard window of Odoo recruitment module, we can see the job positions created before like marketing and community manager, human resource manager, chief technical officer, consultant, etc. And we can also see the details like number of new applicants, number of applicants, and the number of applicants to recruit. And here we have the icon to publish the job. So when we click on the icon, we can see the label published. And when we click on the three dots icon, we can see the options like recruitment done. So if the recruitment is closed, we can choose the recruitment done option. And if we haven't started the recruitment, we can simply click on here. And here we have the options to edit the job position. And here we can preview the interview questions, and also we have the options to highlight the job position. So here we can choose any colored line to highlight the job. Here we can also use the default filter options, group by option, and the favorite options according to our requirements. So to create a new job application, click on the create icon and a pop-up window will appear like this. And here we can enter the job position name. And also we can provide or create and configure job position by selecting the option available under the configuration tab. So here we can view the page according to the list view or in the Kanban view. So to create a new job application, click on the create icon and here we can enter the job position. And here we can provide the job description. And in the recruitment tab, we can enter the details like company name, website, department. So here we can choose the respective department and job location, expected new employees. So here we can provide the number of employees needed. And here we can choose the options to publish the job application. Here we can select the contract template and the interview form. So here we can choose any type of, so we can choose recruitment form. So here we can see the interview questions. And here we can choose the recruiter name. After providing all the details, we can save this. So when we goes back to the job positions, we can see the newly created job application. Now let's move on to the application tab of the Odoo recruitment module. And here in this window, we can see the details like applicant's name, applied job, subject or the application name, stage, appreciation, mobile, tax, name of the recruiter, and the creation date. Moreover, we can view the window according to the list view, Kanban view, pivot view, graph view, calendar view, and in the activity view. Here also we can use the default or the customizable features like filters, group by, and the favorite options. Now we can create a new application. So click on the create icon. Here we can enter the subject or the application name. Here we can enter the applicant's name. Here we can provide the details like email, phone number, mobile number, and here we can choose the qualification or degree of the applicant. And here we can choose the tax. Here we can add the appreciation and also enter the name of the user referred by user. And here in the job section we can choose the applied job. So the department is auto-filled. And in the contract section we can enter the expected salary and the proposed salary and also the availability. Here we have the options to enter the application summary. So after providing all the details we can save this. Here we can see the application is in the initial qualification stage. So we can move this to the first interview stage by clicking on the generate offer. And here we have the options to refuse the application. When we choose the campaign view, we can see the application is in the uh, initial qualification stage. So while dragging this to the first interview, we can see the stage is changed. Likewise, we can change the application into various stages according to our requirements. And here we can add more stages by clicking on the add a column option. So here we have the options. And in each stages we have the options like settings and quick add option. So while clicking on the settings we can see the options like fold, edit stage, delete, archive all and unarchive all. So while clicking on the fold we can see the stages fold is in the fold. And here we can edit the stage, and here we can delete the stage. And here in the quick add option we can enter the application quickly, and also we have the options to delete. Here we can see the number of application in each stages. And also here we can view the key informations like the name of the applicant, job position, department, phone number, and also we can mark the priority as good, very good, and excellent. And here we have the options to schedule the activity, and also we have the options to attach the document. So here we can see the document attached, and also we have the options to create or uh, add new record. And also we can or we are able to update the status by clicking on the circle. So here we can choose the colored circles to update the status. Now let's check it out the configuration tab of the module. Here we can see the options like settings, job position, refuse reason, department, and activity type. When we goes to the settings, we can see the two submenus like job posting and the recruitment process. So here we can enable the option online posting. So if you create a new job position, we can publish the job on a website. Here also we can enable the option send interview survey. So during the interview time we can send the interview survey to the applicant. And here we have the options to configure the job position. And here we can see the refuse reason. So if you want to reject an applicant, uh, you can choose the refuse reason from here. And also we have the options to create new refuse reason. Here we can see the departments, and here we can see the activity types. So to plan or schedule an activity we can choose the activity types from this, and also we have the options to create a new activity type. And here we have the options to report the recruitment analysis. Here the report can be generated in various measures. So here we can see the options, and also we can group it by job position, company, and also we have the options to add custom group. And here we can generate the reports in the bar chart, line chart and in a pie chart, and also we have the options to view according to the ascending or in the descending way. And here the window here displays the number of hired people, recruitment date, referral day rate, process duration of week. And also we can view the window according to the dashboard view, pivot view, and in the graph view. And here we can choose the customizable options like filters and favorites. So that's all about the human resource management in Odoo 15.